In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on GitHub in just 5 minutes. If you spend a lot of time on GitHub, switching to dark mode can significantly reduce eye strain, especially during late night coding sessions, so let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to the GitHub website. This is the first step in our journey toward a darker, more eye-friendly interface. Once you're on the GitHub homepage, look towards the top right corner where you'll see the option to sign in. If you already have a GitHub account, just click on Sign In. You'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. If you're new to GitHub, signing up is quick and easy, but for today, let's focus on those who are already registered. After signing in, you'll automatically be directed to your GitHub dashboard. Here, you'll get a quick overview of your repositories, activities, and anything that might require your attention. Now, what we're looking for is your profile icon, which you'll find again in the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile picture there, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, select Settings. This is where all the magic happens for customizing your GitHub experience. In the settings menu on the left hand side, you'll notice a list of options. We're particularly interested in the appearance option, so go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the page where you can adjust how GitHub looks on your screen. Once you're on the appearance page, the next thing you'll want to do is look for the theme settings. Here you will find different theme options available, including of course the desired night theme. To enable dark mode, simply select the night theme. This will automatically switch GitHub's entire look to a sleek, dark layout, which not only helps with reducing glare from your screen, but also gives your interface a modern, stylish appearance. It's that simple. You've now switched your GitHub to dark mode. Just a couple of tips as we wrap up. If you ever want to switch back to light mode, you can follow these same steps and choose the light theme instead. Also, some users prefer the auto option, which adjusts the theme based on your device's system settings, making it convenient if you're constantly toggling between light and dark modes. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to enabling dark mode on GitHub. It makes for a more comfortable user experience, especially during long stretches of coding. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this guide helpful. We'll see you in the next video.